Number 9. Let A be the set of all strings of zeros, ones, and twos of length 4. Define a relation R on A as follows. For every element S and T that's an element of A, S is related to T if and only if the sum of the characters in S equals the sum of the characters in T. Now, if that sounds familiar, the word characters, that's because S and T are strings. So A is the set of all strings of zeros, ones, and twos of length 4. So that means lowercase s and lowercase t are strings of zeros, ones, and twos of length 4. So that means that two strings are related, and I'll type this out. Two strings of zeros, ones, and twos of length 4 are related under relation R if and only if the sum of the characters of the first string equals the sum of the characters in the second string. So that's what I read when I see this definition for the relation. Now, keep in mind, the way they say it is different than the way it means. So what you'll read here is, it says, is 0121 R 2200? But what they really mean is 0121 related to 2200 under the relation R? And that means, that's the same thing as asking the question, does the sum of characters of 0121 equal the sum of the characters of 2200? So that's what this question is asking. Does the sum of the characters of 0121 equal the sum of the characters of 2200? Well, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, and 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 is also 4, and 4 equals 4. So the answer is yes. Okay, part B. So is 1011 related to 2101? That's asking, is 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1? That's the question. Well, that number is 3, and that number is 4, and 3 does not equal 4. So that means these two numbers are not equal, and the answer to this question is no. So these two strings are not related under the relation R. Okay, is 2212 related to 2121? That's really asking the question, is 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1? That's the question. Now, the left-hand side of this equation is 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. And the right-hand side is 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 2 plus 5, plus 1 is 6, which are not equal to each other. And so the answer to this question is also no. These two strings are not related. And then lastly, is 1220 related to 2111? That's really just asking, is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? Well, left-hand side's 5, and the right-hand side is also 5, which are equal. So the answer is yes. These two strings are related. These two strings of zeros, ones, and twos of length 4 are equal. So these two strings are related to each other. Thanks, everyone.